Hey guys, hope you're doing well today. This video we're going to be continuing on the food trailer build. It'll be a quick little video, and I want to go over the battery unit, kind of cover that with you. If it's something you're going to be interested in, we'll have an affiliate link in the description below if you're looking to purchase one. Feel free to ask any questions and I'll answer what I can or point you in the right direction. So follow along, we'll get this done. Here's the battery unit we're going to be using. So it's from Battery EVO. It's 22 kW of battery power with the 12,000 watt inverter built in. It's also got the charger and solar charge controller built in. So on the screen here, it gives you all the data. You can be grid connected, solar, gives you your load, all your information here. We got two sets of outlets there, 110, and then we have our 110, 240 outlet there, and on-off switch. It is on casters. This unit weighs, I think, just under 400 pounds. So over here, we have our solar panel inputs. And down here, we have our input. So you can plug in another 22 kW battery into this. And if it's going to be grid connected or charged on 220, so this will connect to your house if it's wired up. This will act like a backup generator for your house if it's grid connected. And then the plug we're going to use is this 50 amp plug here. We'll run a wire from the breaker panel and just plug into this. And when they're catering inside a building, they'll be able to take this whole unit inside to power all their equipment inside. As well as that, we also have the little 110 volt power charger. So this thing can charge off a 110 circuit. So you've got a couple different charging options with this. Seems to be a really well built little piece of equipment. Here I've removed the top, little cover, let you see inside. So everything in here is really nice. They did a good job. And in the event of a failure, everything is easy to get to and easy to replace. Not saying we have any expectation of a failure, but that's always a possibility. And nice to know that we can get this thing back up and running pretty quickly.
Oh yeah, it's coffee time. Can you smell it?
I'm here at the other sudden service on exit 24 on I-24. So there's 3 sudden services here. We're at number 2. Got my coffee, black coffee. Let's give it a go. I'll give that a 6.2 out of 10. Back to the video. I've got to attach the battery mount here to this wall, and I don't want to screw into the wood, and I want to get a good solid secure connection here. So rather than using a self-tapping screw, what I'm going to use is a stud welder to weld one of these studs on. So this is the gun. Got the stud loaded in there. So just thought you might find this interesting. You don't see these stud welders a whole lot, but here goes. Got my stud welded on. As you can see, it's a pretty loud process When it's right, it's loud. But that is a very good connection. It would actually tear the metal around it before that weld broke. So I got one more to put up here. So just wanted to show you this. These stud welders, they are quite expensive, but well worth having if you're doing any type of fabrication like this. So I've got everything pretty much built as far as fabrication goes. So I've taken everything out of the trailer. We're just painting these two walls. And then this wall here will be covered with beadboard to make it look a little nicer. So just for reference, here's the stud for the brackets that are going to hold the battery unit with the serving shelf there. So the next step will be to put in the flooring and start getting this thing built out. I appreciate you watching. If you would, please give me a like and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video on this. This is really going to start to take shape. And we'll see you on the next one.